We have candidate number 3 from Baguio City. We have Simon Victor E. Maramba.
Good afternoon, Baguio City! Allow me to introduce myself. I am Simon Victor E. Maramba, and I'm proudly representing Baguio City. Just to share with you guys, before we start, Mr. Grand Philippines Cordillera, our mission is to encourage and inspire and empower the Cordillera people. And when I joined this pageant, I felt the love. Feeling ko lahat naman dito ay in love. Or maybe, single. Oh, okay. Ganun din ako. Single lang naman din ako. So anyways, love is a beautiful word. A beautiful word that become more beautiful when you feel it. So this song is for you guys. Music, please.
No one else felt enough, even no one's scared of love. Baby, you know the pain is unbearable. There's always minsan ay di ka na bala. Pinipiling may salamanga. You turn my lips into a bouquet. Ikaw ay tila siling sa museyong ilan. Pinipili kong ito hanggang kaluluwa. Sana